Okay, Soraya, here I am walking up to the home. It is a 3-car garage. This is the entry. It's 4 bedrooms. Each one is like a suite and has its own bathroom. The layout is perfect and the condition is beautiful. Really, really exceptional. So this is the front entry. This was a model home at one point, built by David Weekley. It's got beautiful hardwood floors. So immediately when you enter, you can see it's just a huge open space. You've got a desk area over here, small little nook over here, right? Very open flow. This is your dining room here when you first enter. It's a really fun stone wall detail there. So all 4 bedrooms are in like the 4 corners of the house, so everything is split and has its own privacy. So we're gonna walk here and show you the front bedroom. This one's painted a soft blue color and it has its own bathroom right here. So sink and stand-up shower. And like I said, everything is in impeccable condition. I think she pointed out one little nick in the wall and one small stain on the carpet, and that's really it. This is a powder bathroom, so this is the bathroom that all guests could use in the home. So it's 4.5 bath in this house, okay? So back here at the entry, I'm gonna continue to walk back, right? I'm gonna give you a peek of the family room. Fireplace in the corner, all the furniture is beautiful. She is a little concerned just with her furniture. They've never rented this place before, and so with the white sofas or the light colored sofas, she's concerned about things being kept clean. So this is the kitchen area, huge island, tons of cabinetry, gas cooking, very beautiful. And you have another dining area over there, a little breakfast nook, okay? I'm gonna show you the master. You continue here, down this hall to get to the master bedroom. The master bedroom is very spacious. The windows are all closed over there, so it's not letting in a ton of light, so right now it might appear dark, but I think with those windows open, of course it wouldn't be. But it's very spacious master bedroom. That's a king bed, 2 very large nightside tables. The wall detail there is very pretty. And then you have a sitting area over here with a little desk area also. It's really perfect. So cute. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you the master bathroom. Beautiful. 1 sink over here. Here's a little toilet. 1 sink over here. Large tub. Large shower. And a second sink over here with good storage and access, right? And then the master closet is back here. These are new hardwood floors they just had put into the master closet. They do still have some decor items in here, and the garage also has some items as well. So they would ask us if we could possibly work around some of those decor items. Maybe they could store them all in the garage and make do for a little bit. So I'm gonna get back out here. So it is a 3-car garage, but like I mentioned, they have quite a few things still in there. They're kind of hoping that they can continue to store some things if we can work with them on that. That's the entry from the garage into the home. You do have a small mud bench area here, and then this is another bedroom. Beautiful bedroom, and you can see this bedroom has its own bathroom as well. So I know I've already said it, but every bedroom has its own bathroom, so it's very much set up like a suite, which is fantastic. Continue out here. This is your laundry room space. Got the stacked washer dryer, you've got a sink in there. And then of course, because this is a 1-story, you've got no space upstairs, but this is a media space that you have over here. Which I'm gonna pick you up right here and show you the back bedroom. Again, all the furniture is beautiful, great condition, very high taste. And this is the back bedroom. This one has a view to the backyard, and again, its own private bathroom. The fantastic thing about this one is it does have that door that is your access point from the pool. So for anyone that's in the pool swimming, they would have direct access in here to the bathroom, which is so great. I can't tell you the number of times that homes don't have that, and it makes it very, very difficult. Kids are coming through, traipsing through on the hardwood floors with wet feet, and nobody wants that. Okay, I'm going to span the kitchen one more time. We do have double oven. Tons of space. This island is huge. I'm going to show you, turn the video off and I'll show you the backyard. Okay, here is the backyard. You can see you have great covered patio section here with lots of seating. That there is the door that takes you into the bathroom that I talked about, so that kids don't have to be going across the hardwood floors to get to the bathroom. You do have a covered area over there as well with a full built-in grill. Show you. Right, all of this over here. There's a little bit of grass this way. Not that you have any pets, but just there's a little bit of space this way. All your pool equipment is behind that. The owner did indicate that we'd have to work out some kind of a plan for how to turn on the equipment, because they have it accessed through their phone, and I don't think that that you guys would have that same access, so we'd have to work that out. But this is the pool, which based on the pictures before seemed quite small, but I think it's lovely. I think it's a fantastic pool. I love that you've got the sitting area over here. It's beautifully landscaped, and it would be so easy to keep up with for a couple of months, a few months, you know? So you've got sitting area here, and again, a small grass area over here. Truly, the pool is fantastic. I think it's a lovely size.